These are the images I downloaded. Hulk, he now looks like this,
Oh yeah.
but I wanted him to look angrier. I downloaded 2 images of Wolverine and decided that I will choose one. I also downloaded an earth and an explosion for the background. And so, I started.
Hello, the Vestonian.
Oh, BTW Trivia. Recently there was this news story that Ranveer Singh may be playing the Indian superhero Nagraj in a movie soon. That is probably fake news. I have already masked both out using the pen tool and the brush tool. Right now I am planning how to position everything, the layout of the poster. I know that Wolverine will be in the foreground and Hulk will be behind him. This is the layout I decided upon. At this point I realized that movie posters have logos. I did not want to open Illustrator to make a logo now, so I thought I'll just do something with blending options in Photoshop and see how it goes. Also, I decided to call the film Hulk x Wolverine instead of Hulk vs Wolverine. It sounds better. Here you see me struggling with the blending options, having no vision at all for the logo. I finally got something that I was happy with, but I could not record that part. Here is what I did. I made the text layer 3D, rasterized the 3D and converted it to Smart Object. I added a hue saturation adjustment layer for the color. Then I added the light from the fire behind the logo. I created a hue saturation adjustment layer and changed the hue to yellow, increased the saturation, clipped the adjustment layer to the text and inverted the mask. Next, I painted on the mask with white where I wanted the light. I did the same thing with the high exposure adjustment layer for highlights and a low exposure adjustment layer for shadows. I did not use 3D light even though I had created a 3D layer before for a complex reason. It's random access memory. Another BTW trivia. Hulk's color scheme is green and purple, which is interesting because green and purple are secondary colors. Heroes generally have primary color schemes, take Superman or Spider-Man, and villains generally have secondary color schemes, take Green Goblin or the Joker. Hulk's secondary color scheme indicates that he is not a complete hero. I messed with the layout once more and quickly moved to lighting Wolverine. I used the same idea of using 2 exposure adjustment layers, one for highlight and one for shadows, and one hue saturation adjustment layer for color. The only source of light is the fireball, so technically his face should be dark, but I wanted his face to be visible. After trying a few things, I landed on this. It looked specially cool because the light on his face makes his mask. Sort of. The fire lacked smoke, so I got a smoke PNG, warped it to get the shape, duplicated it, and changed the blend mode to screen to get a glow. Next, the lighting on the Hulk. Same as Wolverine, I painted in the light where light should hit him, using hue saturation and exposure adjustment layers. The top portion of the poster looked empty, so I put in some Quinjets with a little bit of Gaussian blur and adjusted lighting. Now all I needed was a Marvel Studios logo and some poster text. I put that in, adjusted things a little bit, and done! Am I happy with how this turned out? I mean, it's not bad, but it's not a great poster either. But considering this was my first attempt at making a movie poster, I am kinda sorta proud of it. I think it looks like a real poster. Abrupt cut to the outro.